Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a small crystal lamp. And so what you're going to need some of these table numbers, and they are from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now from Dollar Tree, you are going to need a round mirror. You're going to need a stemless wine glass or a little fishbowl shaped candle holder. And you're also going to need some white foam board. You will need a touch light, and they can all be picked up at Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to be using hot glue on this project, but if you'd like to make any of the components permanent, please use something like E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project. If I decide to use additional items, I will list those in the description box below for you as well. Let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this beautiful crystal lamp turn out absolutely beautifully? This was so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends and family. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. I'd like to thank you all very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.